G'day everyone, and welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Nutrition can seem overwhelming with all the talk of macros, calories, and diets. But it's simpler than you think. Understanding the basics is the key. Today, we'll break down the three main macronutrients: protein, carbs, and fat. What they do, where to find them, and how to use them for your goals. This is Macros 101. Protein, carbs, fat, explained simply. By the end, you'll know what to eat and why, so you can make smart choices for your health and fitness. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What are macros and why do they matter? Let's start with the basics. We're going to dive into the world of macronutrients, often referred to as macros. Understanding these building blocks is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their health, fitness, or overall well-being. Macros, short for macronutrients, are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts. They are the essential components of your diet that provide energy and support various bodily functions. Think of them as the fuel and the raw materials your body uses every single day. Protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Everything you eat is made up of some combination of these three. From a simple snack to a complex meal, these macros are always at play. They're your body's main source of energy measured in calories, the units we use to quantify the energy content of food. Protein and carbs have 4 calories per gram, fat has 9. This difference in caloric density is important to keep in mind when planning your meals. Knowing this helps you make smarter food choices. You can start to understand how different foods contribute to your daily caloric intake and how they impact your body. Macros aren't just fuel. They're the building blocks for growth, repair, and keeping your body running smoothly. They play vital roles in everything from muscle development to hormone production. Without the right balance, you might feel sluggish or struggle to reach your goals. An imbalance can lead to fatigue, poor performance, and even health issues over time. Get your macros right, and you'll have more energy, better workouts, and faster recovery. Optimizing your macro intake can significantly enhance your physical performance and reduce recovery time after exercise. It's not about restriction. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. It's about nourishing yourself with the right proportions of essential nutrients. Focus on the quality and function of your calories, not just the number. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients. This knowledge empowers you to build a diet that's effective, enjoyable, and sustainable. You can create a personalized eating plan that supports your goals and fits your lifestyle. Mastering macros is the foundation for all your health and fitness success. It's the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving lasting results. Let's break down each macro. We'll explore their individual roles and how they work together to support your health. Chapter 2. Protein, the builder. Protein is your body's builder. It repairs and builds muscle, but also supports your hair, skin, nails, and organs. After exercise, protein helps your muscles recover and grow stronger. Without enough, you'll recover slower and see fewer results. Great sources include chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, lentils, and protein powders. Aim for 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight if you're active. Spread your intake throughout the day for best results. Protein also keeps you full, helping manage hunger and cravings. Include a good source of protein with every meal. It's essential for building strength and staying satisfied. Make protein a priority. Chapter 3. Carbs, the fuel. Carbohydrates are your body's main fuel, especially for your brain and during exercise. They break down into glucose, powering your cells and keeping you sharp and energized. Complex carbs like brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, and whole grains provide steady energy and fiber. Simple carbs like candy and soda give quick energy but lead to crashes. Focus on complex carbs for lasting fuel. Carbs are vital for performance and recovery, not something to fear. Have a source of complex carbs before workouts for better performance. Include them in meals to replenish energy and support recovery. Choose whole, unprocessed carbs most of the time. Carbs power your body. Use them wisely. Don't let diet myths scare you away from this essential macro. Fuel up smart. Chapter 4. Fat, the support system. Fat is your body's support system, essential for absorbing vitamins, producing hormones, and brain health. Healthy fats help you absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. They're crucial for hormone balance and keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Your brain needs healthy fats, especially omega-3s for focus and memory. Best sources: avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. Avoid trans fats and highly processed oils. They increase inflammation and disease risk. Stick to whole natural fat sources. Fat isn't the enemy. It's vital for your body's systems. Include healthy fats in your meals for long-term health. Balance is key. Don't cut fat too low. Support your body with the right fats. Chapter 5. How to balance your macros. So, how do you put it all together? How do you take the knowledge of macronutrients and turn it into a practical, personalized plan? There's no one-size-fits-all macro ratio. What works wonders for one person might not be ideal for another. Your ideal balance depends on your body's unique needs, your daily lifestyle, and the specific fitness or health goals you're striving to achieve. For muscle building, where protein is key to repairing and growing muscle tissue, try a macro split like 40% protein, 30% carbs, and 30% fat. This supports both muscle growth and energy levels. For fat loss, it's crucial to maintain a calorie deficit. Keep protein intake high to preserve muscle mass, and then strategically adjust carbs or fat to achieve that deficit. For maintenance, where the goal is to sustain your current physique and energy levels, a balanced split like 30% protein, 40% carbs, and 30% fat often works well. To gain a clearer understanding of your current eating habits, use a food tracking app. This will help you learn about your macronutrient intake and appropriate portion sizes. Track your food intake consistently for a few weeks to build awareness of your eating patterns. Then, use this information to make informed adjustments as needed to align with your goals. Pay close attention to your body's signals. Your energy levels, how well you recover after workouts, and visible progress are your best guides in determining if your macro balance is working for you. Think of these ratios as a helpful starting point, a foundation to build upon, rather than rigid, unyielding rules. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your macro ratios based on how you feel, the results you're seeing, and your evolving needs. Ultimately, your body possesses an innate wisdom. Learn to listen to it, and it will guide you towards the optimal macro balance for your individual well-being. Chapter 6. Real-world macro-friendly meals. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Let's move beyond the theory and make this practical. We're going to show you how to seamlessly integrate macro-friendly eating into your daily routine. We're diving into the world of real-world meals. Forget complicated recipes and restrictive diets. We're talking about delicious, satisfying food that fuels your body and helps you achieve your goals. Dinner grilled chicken, a fantastic source of lean protein paired with quinoa, a complex carbohydrate that provides sustained energy. Add steamed broccoli for essential fiber and vitamins, and a drizzle of olive oil for healthy fats and flavor. Breakfast. Kickstart your day with a 3-egg omelet packed with spinach and mushrooms for added nutrients. Complement it with whole wheat toast for complex carbs, and a serving of avocado for healthy fats and creamy texture. On the go. Need a quick and convenient option? Blend up a smoothie with protein powder for muscle recovery, almond milk as a low-calorie base, a banana for natural sweetness and potassium, oats for added fiber, and a spoonful of almond butter for healthy fats and sustained energy. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Swap chicken for salmon or tofu for variety in your protein sources. Replace quinoa with sweet potato or brown rice for different complex carb options. The formula. It's simple. Pick a protein source to build and repair tissues. Add a complex carb for sustained energy. Include a healthy fat for hormone production and satiety. And load up on non-starchy veggies for essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Small, sustainable changes over time will yield far better results than striving for unattainable ideals. Some days you'll be over or under your targets. That's perfectly normal. Don't get discouraged by occasional deviations. Instead, focus on the overall trend and strive for balance throughout the week. Enjoy your food and aim for balance most of the time. Savor each bite, appreciate the flavors, and nourish your body with wholesome ingredients. A healthy relationship with food is just as important as hitting your macros. Avoid restrictive dieting and cultivate a positive mindset towards eating. Make meals you love that fit your goals, Experiment with different recipes, flavors, and cuisines to discover healthy dishes that you genuinely enjoy. Keep it simple, flexible, and sustainable. The more straightforward your approach, the easier it will be to maintain long-term. That's how you make macros work in real life, integrating them seamlessly into a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Macros don't have to be confusing. Now you know what each one does and how to balance them. You're in control. Start small. Track your food for a week, try a new meal, and build sustainable habits. Celebrate small wins and enjoy the process of getting stronger and healthier. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips from Body Make and Health Management. Thanks for watching. See you next time.